Friends, today in this video you will know whether you can really talk to the universe. You can ask this universe from nature for everything that you want to get in your life, and this universe will also fulfill all your wishes. Do you know that our universe has created us and it has that power with which it can change our lives? The only condition is that we surround ourselves with that positive energy so that our every word can reach the universe. We all know that our thinking, our thoughts have their own vibration frequency. If you once learn to connect with this universe, establish your contact with it, and once you feel the power of your universe, then no one can stop you from fulfilling any of your wishes. Actually, the people you meet in your present life and the new experiences you get are all the result of the energy attracted by your mind, and today we will tell you how you can talk to the universe and ask for everything that you desire. Choosing this principle means that you want to change the internal frequency within you. And if you want to think differently to attract new opportunities in life, to gain a special experience, then are you ready for that time? When you talk to the universe by increasing your consciousness, i.e. frequency and energy level, then its effect is seen in the environment around you, that is, around you. Due to this, your energy attracts them from the universe to get new types of experiences, because we have been created by this destiny, so there is that power around us, by which we can create the event that appears in our life. You can send your prayers to the universe and feel them coming back to you, just like a resonating voice. And if you want to understand this power or want to manifest those events in your life that you desire, whether it is a new relationship, a new job, a lot of money, or peace of mind, you can get everything. And today we will tell you that simple way with the help of which you can talk to the universe and ask for everything that you desire. You can call these methods the phone number of the universe in a way. So are you ready to know that phone number? So let's start. Number 1, develop your relationship with the universe. Friends, if you have never used the law of attraction, or you have never know how the universe works, so you need to establish such a connection with the universe at this time so that you can know how our universe works. Our universe is the most mysterious thing. Till date, no scientist and the biggest discovery of science has been able to solve all its mysteries. It is the most powerful, it is infinite, it has everything. Therefore, to make a deep connection with the universe, first of all you have to trust its infinite power and trust it and wait for its miracle with full patience. You can invoke the powers of the universe in any form. In simple language, the universe can answer your prayers in any form. You can get a signal from a bird flying in the sky, or suddenly you can get this signal in any form, in the form of a phone call. You just have to have full faith in the universe. You have to keep complete peace in your mind and develop your faith in the powers of the universe. You have to believe in it. Number 2, set your goal. The second step is related to understanding what you want to ask the universe. What do you expect from it? What do you want to ask from it? When you ask from it, you will definitely get it. You will get the signs of its fulfillment. You will get the signs of those paths, but it cannot be said that you will get them exactly in the way you asked for them, because if you have tried to connect with the universe with hatred and negativity in your heart, then your prayers may fail. Feel the universe with full respect from your heart. Do not keep any kind of hatred in your mind. Try to send your good intentions to the universe and listen to the voice of your heart and feel what its wish really is. Close your eyes and focus your full attention on your heart and your breath, and breathe deeply. Once your intentions have become strong in terms of establishing your connection with the universe and you have become conscious of them, then the powers of the universe will easily try to come into your body and your life. She will try to change your life. Number 3, imagine. The power of imagination is a precious power given to man by the universe and God, using which man is able to make everything possible in his life. Imagine, close your eyes with true intentions in your heart and start seeing or feeling the powers of the universe, and you have to experience those powers and imagine what you have asked from the universe. Imagine that you have received it and use all your 5 senses and feel it. Feel the thing you have asked for. If you have imagined a situation, then feel that situation becoming a reality. Feel it with your 5 senses. The secret of this power is hidden in focusing your full attention towards your feelings. Experience your prayer. The more emotions you connect with your prayer, the more powerful your prayer will be, and the universe will fulfill your prayers that much sooner. Number 4, express gratitude to the universe. Friends, when you combine yourself with your complete positive emotions in infinite peace and sensitivity, so this is the best time to communicate with the universe and ask for anything from it. Start by expressing a thank you because it sends your feeling to the universe and the universe accepts the prayer sent by you. Your gratitude is your heart's offering to the universe. A different vibration frequency is emitted which reaches the universe. Close your eyes and try to find yourself around those things and situations that you have asked for. Be completely happy and express gratitude to the universe, to this God, to nature. Number 5, free yourself. Friends, once you accept all these things inside you and after using it, you leave your complete control over yourself. When you experience those situations in yourself, then you do not need to worry about this matter. You do not need to think how this universe will give you this power because this secret is known only to the universe. This power does not mean that from today you should sit and use it for 24 hours, talk to the universe, and actually it is not an ordinary thing which the universe will deliver to you like a career, but now you have to live your life with more positivity and consciousness. You get the answer to your prayers in some form or the other, as we have already told you. For this you should always remain alert and aware around you because God gives you signals in this way. You just have to understand it and keep information about every event and every change happening in your environment and try to understand the signal of the universe and work accordingly. Your wish will start getting fulfilled 100%. Now the most important in all these processes is number 6, which says that have full faith in the universe, have faith in the same God. Whatever you have asked for, you will get it, but you will get it at the right time which will be right for you. You have to believe that the prayer you have sent, the poison you have sent, it will come back to you at the right time. Once you have sent your prayer to the universe, you have to believe in the process of its realization from your heart every day. You have to have emotion and sensitivity towards that prayer to talk to the universe and manifest your wish in your life. First of all, you have to have positive thoughts for your purpose. Do not give mixed signals to the universe. Concentrate on your breath and your mind with full patience. Think about that thing which you want from the universe. Have love for it from your heart. Keep your heart clean, keep your mind clean, keep positive. Now feel the thing which you have asked from the universe with all your emotions. Express gratitude to the universe. After sending your prayer to the universe, wait for it to become true in your life. Feel the changes happening in your environment and try to understand the answer of the universe. Just by this, your process is completed and you should believe that your every wish has reached the universe after this process. You are just waiting for its completion. It will be completed and it will definitely happen. You need only a little time, but the most important thing for all this is a little time, through which you can talk to the universe. This will connect you spiritually with the infinite power and mysteries of the universe. You will find yourself in a world where there will be only positive energy around you, and when you follow all these 6 rules, then your every wish will be fulfilled. But you never thought that the wish can be fulfilled. We hope that this video will help you to connect with the universe. Send your prayer to the universe with all your heart and wait for it to come back to you and to be realized in your life. Understand what the universe wants to say to you, believe in it, always stay positive and have faith in God. So friends, if you liked the video, then definitely like and share it. See you in the next video.